Hi everyone, we're back here at Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln, Nebraska, and we're in the 2014 Montana. Now this is the 3610 RL fifth wheel. In this passenger side slide we have a dinette and chairs. There's a lot of storage in this one. Goes all along the top. There's also theater seats. And a sofa. It has a fireplace, TV in the entertainment center. It also does have a ceiling fan. In the kitchen area, we have a microwave with a range hood built in. And that is above the 3-burner stove and oven. Next to that is the double door RV refrigerator. Next to that we have the beautiful pantry. There is a center island for the sink with some storage space underneath. Also on the center island is a central vacuum system. As we head up the stairs, there's the thermostat, and in this nice little cabinet is all of the switches. In the bathroom, there is a skylight above the nice shower. It's a nice size. There's also a power vent fan above the bathroom toilet. It's a foot flush toilet. Some towel hooks right above that. Moving on to the bedroom. Nice bed. There's a lot of storage in this one. They did a good job thinking of where everything would need to go. There's the mirrored closet, has some more storage in it. And the TV is set above another wardrobe storage. Let's go check out the outside. Here's the outside of that Montana fifth wheel. There's a lot of outside lighting and awning. Nice tinted windows that had a lot of natural light inside. There's a folding grab handle and quadruple folding stairs. There's that dinette slide there. This one does have the ladder to get to the roof. Here you can see that kitchen slide. And the bedroom slide. If you would like to see this or any of our other fifth wheels, we are on the corner of 27th and Cornhusker Highway, or you can see all of our inventory online at leachrv.com.